Welcome, my friend. Today kicks off 14 days of free yoga to help everyone at home during this time. If you haven't yet, please take a moment now to subscribe to my channel to support free yoga online and to make sure you get the practices released each day. Today I'm sharing with you one of my all-time favorite practice combos to do as soon as you roll out of bed in the morning. It can be very tough to make your way to the mat as soon as you wake up. Your body, your mind just want to stay cuddled up in our cozy little beds. It is very helpful to get your environment set up the night before with cozy clothes laid out, a blanket on the mat, incense ready to be burned, and knowing what practice you're going to do so you have everything ready for it. For me, it is also helpful to start my practice with yin postures rather than doing a hatha or vinyasa flow first thing. So I like to do a few yin postures followed by gentle stretches to clear out any cobwebs from the night's sleep. Since this is a 10-minute practice, we'll be doing just one yin pose followed by those opening stretches. You can do this practice without any props, but to make this all the more supportive and cozy, have your yoga bolsters or pillows nearby. I'll be using one small bolster to sit on and then a larger circular bolster to rest my torso on. Light a candle or burn some incense, and I'll meet you seated on the mat. For our yin posture, we'll be doing Dragonfly Pose, which is a seated wide leg forward fold. Given it's first thing in the morning, it may be helpful to sit up on a pillow to help open your hips, promoting that forward tilt in your pelvis. Make sure you sit at the edge of the pillow. Let's open your legs as wide as you comfortably can. Then sit up nice and tall before you hinge forward at your hips until you feel that first stretching sensation. And then we'll pause right there and round forward, either letting gravity take hold or draping your torso to a bolster or maybe a pillow. We don't want to go to our deepest edge to start in our yin postures because of their longer holds. We'll be holding this for a little over 3 minutes. With this posture, we're tending to your groin, your hips, and your hamstrings. Close your eyes. Notice your breath. Let your body melt deeper and deeper into the pose with each exhalation you take. With the long holds of yin yoga, allow yourself to fully embody your experience of this pose. Noticing if your joints gently begin to open with the longer holds as the weight of your body gently weighs you down. If you do notice this shift, see if you can hinge forward a little more at your hips. Go a little lower until you feel that stronger sensation. Slowly release your palms to the mat. Tuck your chin to your chest, and with loving kindness, slowly roll yourself up. Once you're at the top, take a full breath in through your nose. And exhale, lower your left ear towards your left shoulder. And slowly lower down through center, chin to chest. Hang out there for a moment before you circle your right ear up towards your right shoulder. Shoulders relaxed away from your ears. And then take it back down, lowering your chin towards your chest. And lift back up to neutral. Mirroring me, slide your left arm down your leg and reach the opposite arm up and over towards your toes. Actively reach in the directions of your toes, getting nice and long along your side body. Great. Now changing it up just a little, focus on spiraling your chest open to the sky as you reach. And just notice how that changes the sensations you're experiencing in your body. On your next inhale, rise back up to center. And slide your right arm down your leg this time, reaching the opposite arm up and over towards your toes. Fingertips actively reach towards your toesies. Feel the length along your side body. Now let's knit your front ribs together and then spiral your chest towards the sky. On your next inhale, rise back up to center. If you haven't yet, set any props off to the side. Extend both legs long out in front of you. From here, we'll draw your right knee in, sole foot in line with your hip. Inhale, find length in your spine. Exhale into a twist to the right. Your right hand comes behind you and opposite hugs your right knee, or you can take your elbow to the outside of your thigh. Return to center and extend your leg long. Inhale, reach your fingertips to the sky. Before you exhale, hinge forward at your hips, keeping a nice long spine as you hinge. Keep your arms extended, a long line from your tailbone to the crown of your head. Hold it there. On your next exhale, round your spine forward, reach towards your toes. And slowly roll up, drawing your left knee in. Find your long spine before you exhale into a twist to the left. Wrapping your right arm around your leg or bringing your elbow to the outside of your thigh, left hand close to your seat. Release and return to center. Extend leg long. Bring your fingertips behind you, pointing towards your body. And on your exhale, press up, lifting your hips into reverse plank pose. You can lower your head back if it feels okay in your body. Press away in your shoulder girdle and lift those hips up. Beautiful. Slowly lower those hips down. Let's do a gentle core check-in, coming into boat pose with your hands grasping the back of your thighs. Keep a nice long spine as you hold this pose. Your shins parallel with the earth. Shoulder heads draw back. Shoulder blades squeeze towards each other. If you want to warm up your core a little more, you can extend your arms long. Good work, my friend. Slowly lower yourself with control all the way to the mat and hug your knees into your chest. Take a slow rock side to side, massaging the space of your low back. Open your knees wide. To keep this super gentle, you can hold your knees here, Or if you'd like to take happy baby, thread your arms through center to grasp the pinky toe side of your foot and lift your soles of feet to the sky. Knee draws down towards the mat. Take a slow rock side to side in happy baby if you wish. Lower and release your feet, knees come back to center, and extend your soles of feet to the sky. Go ahead and point and flex your feet a few times. Take a few ankle circles in both directions. Once your ankles and toes feel open, go ahead and flex your feet, soles to the sky, arms rest at your side, palms face up, and just hold it there for 5 deep breaths. Slowly lower your soles of feet to the mat. Roll over to the right side and make your way to a comfortable cross-legged seated position. Breathe in, circle your fingertips to the sky. Exhale, cactus your arms, elbows opening nice and wide as you lower them down, checking in with your upper body. Breathe in, circle your fingertips to the sky, gathering love and light. Palms kiss at the top and bring all that love and light down to heart center. Bring thumbs to your sternum. Sternum reaches up, sealing that love and light into your heart center. I like to close my morning practices with taking a moment to send love and light to loved ones, my clients, really just all beings. So you can take a moment to do that now, but just know it is okay to hold that love and light in for yourself. So maybe in these final moments, you can just let that love and light grow brighter and brighter within you. Sending love and light to you and all beings. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed this roll out of bed and yoga practice, my favorite morning ritual. I have an ongoing series in our membership site dedicated to this style. It also walks through the chakra system, linked in descriptions. Comment below and let me know if you enjoyed it. Throw the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get the free yoga videos each day for the next 2 weeks. From my heart to yours.